First type ford.co.uk into your browser. That'll bring up a list of cars. Then onto FIESTA, click build and price. Find the model you want. In our case, we're looking for an ST Line X. Then onto body style, 5-door. Then onto drive. Find the engine we want, which is a petrol 1 litre EcoBoost 125 brake horsepower. Then the colour choice, magnetic, which is a lovely grey metallic. Into extras, styling and appearance, select the ST Line 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, £600. Then driving experience, scroll down to the full LED headlamps, again £600. Comfort and convenience, Bang & Olufsen premium audio system, £350. I don't think there's anything we need in safety and security. Now it gives you the summary, which the car is £22,535, tells you the fuel economy, and if you click on the IP address at the bottom and save it, you can go straight back to that car by just putting that in your browser, and then all we need is to buy online. Click. Just in time for the seagulls to come over.